Hi everyone, we just celebrated our wedding anniversary by trying glamping for the first time right here in Japan. Japanese glamping sounds a little unusual, right? Let's see what surprises, funny moments, and all those wait, what moments we run into. Let's go! The forecast warned of rain, maybe even a typhoon. Perfect timing, huh? I guess you could call me a rain person. Rain just seems to follow me everywhere. People often tell me, just stay low-key so your rain pearls don't show. So I try to stay low-key during the journey. And finally, we arrived. The rain has stopped, at least for now. The sky was still a little uncertain, but we started exploring our private space on the ground. Here comes the part with plenty of wait, what moments. Ready? Inside the tent, we took off our shoes and slipped into the slippers, typical for Japan. My husband immediately said, "It's like a spaceship." Then came the shocker. All the plants inside were fake. And the candle holders, completely empty. We are supposed to bring our own candles? Seriously? Camping romance usually comes from soft lanterns, candlelight, and cozy little decorations. Here, everything was fake or empty. One wait, what moments after another. And the ocean view from the big window. You could see the Sea of Japan, except right in front, there was a portable toilet and an excavator. Another wait, what for sure. I nervously checked the private outdoor space and opened the bathroom door. No slippers. The bathroom has the basics, but inside the toilet, still no slippers. In Japan, going into a toilet without slippers, that's just crazy. The barbecue area was covered, so rain wasn't an issue. But the real surprise, a huge outdoor grill. Usually, we just use a hot plate indoors, so having a big backyard barbecue like this almost impossible in Japan. Dinner was ready, so we headed to the barbecue area, the main event of the day. Thing is, we hardly ever eat meat. Just so you know, we were doing this for the experience. The grill was divided into high, medium, and low heat zones, but you couldn't really adjust the temperature. Total beginners here. And as if that wasn't enough, my rain pearls stuck again. Rain poured down outside. Drinks were all you can drink, but we had to walk to the restaurant to get them ourselves. Umbrella in my hand, soaking wet. Fun, right? Well, maybe it was a blessing in disguise. It kept us from drinking too much. The next morning, someone had probably had a bit too much last night. Yet my husband, not me. I took a walk along the beach passing a portable toilet and an excavator on the way. Waves crashing, sunlight painting the sky, cool sea breeze. This was exactly what I'd been looking forward to. Honestly, I even thought maybe camping here would have been more comfortable than the tent. Dangerous? Not at all. Japan is still that safe. It was breakfast time, so I went to wake my husband. He had no idea he was missing this amazing view. This morning, the weather finally cleared, calm and sunny. Breakfast was served in the indoor restaurant with an ocean view. Well, sort of. Little dishes were laid out everywhere. A perfect Japanese breakfast, luxurious and filling. But the ocean view was hidden. The Sea of Japan was right outside, yet the blinds were drawn. Staff said we keep them closed because it's too bright. Wait, isn't that the opposite of what I want? Still, this ideal versus reality gap is part of the charm. Maybe just being able to enjoy breakfast together, that's more than enough. Back in the tent, felt like a steam room. Rain yesterday, blazing sun today. Well, that's life. There were plenty of wait, what moments, but that's all part of the memories. Most importantly, we experienced our first glamping trip as a couple. Japanese glamping, a little different? Or is it just me not seeing so many wait, what moments? How about in your country? Share your funny or surprising experiences in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, it really helps if you like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!